friends. Now we will see how the problems of combination is done. Combination simply means we have to select. We don't have to arrange. We have to just choose out things, no matter in what order they have been selected. So in combination we will be choosing out, we will be selecting out. You just see the formula for combination. Out of n things, if I have to select r things, it is NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Suppose out of 10 students, I have to select 2 students, then it will be 10C2, that will be 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial, that is 8 factorial. In that way, we have to select certain number of items from a given number of things. See, there are 5 boys and 3 girls in a class. 5 students to be selected for a competition. How many ways selection can be made if no restriction is there? See how many total students are there. 5 plus 3, 8, and we have to select 5 students. Very simple, very easy. This is 8C5. So we can write this as 8 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 8 minus 5 factorial, that is 3 factorial. So first question, very simple, you can do. Just take care of the conditions given in the question and accordingly select the things. In the second question, 3 boys and 2 girls to be taken. What combination is there? 3 boys and means into. I said to you in the basic fundamental principle of counting that whenever the work is going on, we have to just multiply the things, multiply and multiply. Suppose in this question, I have to find 3 boys. How many boys are there? 5. Out of 5, I have to select 3. And the work is not complete. So into 2 girls to be taken. How many girls are there? 3. So out of 3 girls, I have to select 2 girls. So this is the way, number of ways in which 3 boys and 2 girls can be selected out of given 3 boys and 2 girls. Out of 5 boys and 3 girls. Okay. See in the third question, a particular boy is always selected. Suppose I got a call from a minister that particular boy has always to be selected. So I have a condition that I will be selecting the 4 other students because one boy is already selected. Now virtually what I am doing, I am just selecting 4 students out of the remaining 7 students. So remaining 7 students, I am selecting 4 students. Just see how I am proceeding. I have selected 1 student out of the 1 student, that is a particular boy, and further I have to select 4 students. So out of the remaining students, 7 students, I am selecting the 4 students. So this is the way in which a particular boy is always selected. Now in the next question, a particular girl is never selected. So I have to reject 1 girl. I don't have to consider 1 girl's name. So if I am rejecting 1 girl, that is not taken into consideration. I am left with 5 boys and 2 girls actually. So out of 7 students, I have to select 5 students, not 4 here. 5 because anyhow we have to complete a group of 5 students. Okay, so it is 7C5. And the last part we come, at least 3 boys to be selected. So we will just write this thing in English, then we will translate this into mathematics. At least 3 boys, what is the meaning? 3 boys and 2 girls. One combination can be 4 boys, 1 girl, because at least 3 boys, minimum 3 boys. It can be 5 boys and 0 girl. Why? Because in total we have to select 5 students. Now we can select either this way or this way or this way. Wherever either or is coming out, we just write plus plus plus. What is the use of plus? When the work is complete, in one particular fashion and we are doing the same work in another fashion, then it will be one way plus another way plus another way of doing the same work. So the work is selecting the 5 students. In this case, 3 boys. 5 boys are there. So 5C3 into the girls are 3. So 3C2. That is the case number 1. Or so plus. Be careful about the plus and into. Into means wherever the work is going on, you just multiply. You see, 5 students have been selected. The work is complete now. Now I will write plus because we are doing the same work again in another fashion. 4 boys. 5 boys are there. 5C4 into how many girls? 3 girls. So 3C1. See, again 5 students have been selected. So the work is complete. Again I am doing the same work in another fashion. 5 boys. 5 students are there. 5 boys are there, out of which I have to select all the 5 and 3 girls. I don't have to select any girl. 3C0. Now you just compute the values of these combinations and you will get the exact answer. 5C3 you can write 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 3C2 is going to give you 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial. Simply you just expand the things and you will get the values of the number of selection under the required condition. So you are understanding this thing, you just write the values of these combinations and you will get the exact value. Now what property I am going to tell you about the combination coefficients. What's the property? You just see here, NCR is always equal to NC n minus R. What is the meaning of this? I am telling you, that is, if 10C2 is there, that can be written as 10C8. You just calculate, you will get the same value. Suppose in a question that 10C3 is given and it is given 10Cx. Can you tell me what's the value of x here? Easily, you can just write 3 plus x is equal to 10. So you can get the value of x is coming out to be 7. Use this property, that will be very useful apart from the BISC problems of combination. Hope you are understanding it. Thank you. This is your loving Santosh Kumar and you remember my number. It is 90313 58558. Thank you.